talk, you think, what the bitch, what the fuck you want? So what I want from you in this training is when you attack first, you cannot avoid and escape and de-escalate, and you try to contact manage, because you never fight one-on-one, right? That if you need to hit first, that you understand that you need to continue to attack. Yes? If you hit this individual and he drops, then you did what's reasonable and necessary, but prepare for the second attack from a friend coming in. You never fight one-on-one, right? So one of the best things you can do, if you hit with a palm strike or with a fist, I choose palm strike because otherwise you have to aim right part of the hard hand, like the knuckle on the soft part of the face, instead of just hitting bone. Because if I use a palm strike, I can just hit target. I don't have to overthink this, and especially in the dynamics of real fight stress, right? One hit could be man down. Should be something in the lines of this. I cannot avoid and escape and de-escalate. My back is against the wall, and now I can, and now he's done. This could be the case, right? Best case scenario. Now be sure you are in fight mode for the secondary threat. That also means that if I would hit him and he staggers back and he's not going down yet from this position, now I need to continue the attack. Because now, otherwise he can retaliate, and now I'm in a fight. Now it's again 50-50. And I'm 100% my side. Yes, only me if I start with the physical part. So now you can train this response by letting him dictate. So if I hit and he goes down, and then I stop. Look for the secondary threat. So what I'm going to do in this drill is add another individual coming forward or not. If he does the staggering back and he's still standing, now you want to grab and hit until he's done. Yes, this is an ingrained response. I just showed you the clip when I had to fight against two guys on the street. I attacked one, went to the floor, and then I attack and eliminate the second threat. Now afterwards, I saw on footage that he was trying to hit me also in the heat of the moment and didn't see this. So the trained response came out. Hit first and keep on attacking until everybody that is involved is horizontal. Yes? So that's the part I want to give you with this drill. So he decides now. I will hit and then he decides what to do. Yes? You see? My brain now had a glitch. Hitting, need to recognize, shit is not down yet. Grab him somewhere and hit. In this case, just grab the pad. If you have an old t-shirt, just grab him somewhere and then attach. Yes, and keep on beating on him until he's done. So that's your drill. Preemption starts, he dictates. If you stop, look around, break tunnel vision, or you continue to attack. I don't give a fuck how you do it, but now we train palm, grab, and now you can just run it on him. Yes, simple and effective. Not technical. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
I can fuck with my response, right? Because some people, if you knock them out, they go to the floor, and there's sometimes a delay when this happens, or they just stagger back, come forward. But it doesn't matter if let's say he hits me, oh sorry, left-handed. Let's say he hits me, and I crash forward right now, doesn't matter, he just wants to grab me. Boom, now you get this. The way that we make it more technical in the side clinch is just that you don't hurt the pad feeder. But I just still want to install in his brain coming forward. And it means that if I didn't go to the floor, didn't stagger back, but I come forward, there's now a collision effect. And this collision effect is probably going to be with his hammer fist, boom. Because he's now installing, just beat on him. That's a very effective tool. But I can fuck with this response. I can do something in the lines of this. So I will do this to show him a pre-tet cue. This could be me loading up a shot, right? So I get this. You see, now it was this one dangerous knockout that I could fall dead on the floor. So he needs to try to grab me so he can control my descent. Was it reasonable and necessary what you did? Or I directly go to the floor sometimes. You hit. Whoop. Happens. I also saw this happening. You see, now he has more time. And I saw this happening. There was a moment for him that he needed to utilize to continue the attack before I break that "oh fuck" moment, and now I'm going to fuck him up. Makes sense?
Yes.
So, in all cases, you're training the brain to continue the attack. me or him will come forward, so he needs to eliminate threat from this direction. So it becomes already more spontaneous, right? And me and Thomas closes his eyes for now. Yeah, okay, open. We just make an agreement who's going to attack you. But now the good thing is, we now know it's going to be from left and right. So it can be in real life, right? So let's start without role play first. Yes, good. Nice. Great example. So what he shows is that he used preemption. There was need for following and continue the attack because the guy was not clinic or one knockout shot. And then he understood, shit, something is coming, hit him again, and he still didn't go to the floor the first hit, so he continued to attack again. Good example, yes? So your brain doesn't know it's a drill, especially when the role play is real. If you give soft role play, of course your brain knows it's a drill. But if I talk to you, what the fuck you want, you fucking bitch? What the fuck you want, bitch? I never told her this, very... Yes, he becomes angry, but that's what it is. That's how you trigger that amygdala and that brain. Yes, especially when I scream at her, she will get tunnel vision, but in the back of her brain, she knows, or in front of the brain I have to say, she knows it's a fucking drill. Make sense? But you want to override that by good roleplay. Fuck you want, bitch? What the fuck you want, you fucking bitch? What the fuck you want, bitch? I don't hear you, fucking bitch. Look at me, look at me! Don't touch me! Fuck me, Yes, good. If you like this content, please give us a follow and subscribe. If you don't like this content, move on, bitch. If you need an online course, hit the description below. Thanks. See you next time.